trying to adjust the camera so that it didn't make my head look quite so large. And
no, that's not it at all. Just wanted to make sure the angle was good. So today marks, did I say 3 weeks into, or did I say 3 days into, what did I say?
We're 3 days into week 3 of your cut.
Of our cut. Are you not cutting with me?
I'm just eating clean.
So you're not actually like quote unquote cutting?
No, not really. I'm not like trying to restrict my calories a lot.
Can't have a man restricting his calories.
No, I'm always in bulk season.
And today we did full body workout, which
kicked her butt and her chest and her back.
And them dollars made my spidey sense a ring, ring. And that booty on that body made me spring. Then I took her to my pad, made her sing. First she asked me for a thing, now she cling. Then she's bossy, but she do it. Oh, you hella saucy, did you do it? Wonder what it cost me. I threw some shoes in, ice me on my body. I'm never bruising. Hey, yeah, 4 flights, 1 month. Bitch, I'm from the future. Catch this baby going beast mode. She hit me with the nudie, with the nail class. Find me triple stepping on my scooty. Slip your head mask, cause you know your mommy is my tutor. I'm a tall man, why she tryna get me tall, man? Rubber band, man, can you toss it all? Let the rain, man, rain dance, taking to the air with a goofy thought, no chance. Love getting money, caught a romance. Hey, sussy boys, are you hungry? I see you tryna buy my sound, but it sounded kinda funky. And them dollars made my spidey sense a ring. And that booty on that body made me spring. Then I took her to my pad, made her sing. First she asked me for a thing, now she cling. Then she's bossy, but she threw it. Oh, you hella saucy, did you do it? Wonder what it cost me. I threw some shoes in, ice me on my body. I'm never bruising. Hey, let me break it down. I got a bad bitch tryna jump my bones in a booty round. Hey, you see my whips on fleek, yeah. Pink flames, pink Fiat, baby is a treat. Yeah, of course I'm eating all my cells cause they stuff with greens. Yeah, this baby's got the German coochie, really made me scream. So I might just tour the world and grab a bag, I'm really keen. Yeah, really on that goofy shit, but ain't no Charlie Sheen. Hey, sussy boys, are you hungry? I see you tryna buy my sound, but it sounded kinda funky. And them dollars made my spidey sense a ring. And that booty on that body made me spring. Then I took her to my pad, made her sing. First she asked me for a thing, now she cling. Then she's bossy.
One more.
agreed. How long was the workout?
About an hour.
About an hour.
A full body day. She emphasizes her legs primarily, but she'll do a chest and an arm and a back exercise thrown in there. But it's primarily leg day plus a few uppers for her. And for me, it's kind of a blend of everything. I'll hit pretty much every body part that day.
Yeah, and we'll probably do another video later on where we actually take you with us to the gym. We just got a new gym membership, and it's not a Planet Fitness anymore, so we're really nervous about being there still. And
there's a few weirdos in there, let's be honest.
Let's be honest, there are a few weirdos.
Look at this. I was going to do deadlift the other day. So Wednesday I was doing deadlifts, okay? And I was using the trap bar, which is a little octagon shaped bar that you kind of stand in the middle of, and then you just do deadlifts with that. So I'm trying to find a spot to do it because it's kind of a tight gym the way they got everything laid out. So I got into a squat rack that was not being used, and I got right up in it, like at the very entry of the squat rack, and I was just going to use that space to do my deadlift. Well, then some idiot yahoo wearing sunglasses
Yeah.
with a porn star mustache. Didn't look like a porn star, but he had the mustache and dark sunglasses. Gets in the squat rack that I'm standing right behind. I'm looking in the mirror, doing my deadlift. He gets in there and sticks his butt not 2 feet from my face and starts doing a squat.
So the new gym that we're going to is very cramped. It's not as... Well, Planet Fitness wasn't exactly spacious, I don't think. Well, I guess it was compared to the new gym we're
They
at,
had more
but
pieces of equipment per body part so that, one person wouldn't be able to...
It's very cramped, and so and if someone's not really respectful of your space in this new joint, then they're going to put their butt all up in your face. It's kind of weird, I don't know. It's a lot.
I about lost it, but I didn't.
But it is a good gym to pull the camera out.
Yep. Yep.
Because
It's more of a gym, a real gym than like a Planet Fitness. It's more.
They have free weights.
Yeah, they got a lot of free weights for barbells. They
why
got a
I
lot of
went
free weight
switch.
squats and deadlifts. They still have Smith machines, and they got dumbbells that go up to like 120 pounds, which I liked because I had maxed out the Planet Fitness dumbbells.
We didn't
Can't
think
have
Planet
that.
Fitness holding us back, and no, I think Planet Fitness is still awesome because Planet Fitness wasn't ever going to hold me back.
No.
Like, there's no way I would have ever maxed out there. So this was more of like Casey's been wanting to switch gyms for a while, and this is me like wanting to take advantage because this new gym that we're at, not only all this other stuff, but they also have a hip thrust machine, which I've never gotten to use up until.
You had to use the Smith machine and have the bar hitting you.
Which it's not any. It is more comfortable with a belt, but it's not totally comfortable because I feel like I'm bruised the next day just as much from it than probably more from the bar. But anyways, you're gonna get hurt no matter what is what I'm trying to say.
But they've got a little bit more, some nice equipment. They've got a dedicated shrug machine for your neck. They've got a dedicated hack squat machine, which is nice. They have a free weight bench that you can use for bench press and stuff. They've got dumbbells that go to 120, and then they've got, what was the other thing? They've got a trap bar. I've been wanting to do a trap bar for my deadlift. And there was something else they had. Oh, they've got a nice incline press machine where the arms are independent. A lot of those machine workouts, they both move at the same time, so you can kind of overemphasize one side or the other and kind of get in a little bit of a bind. But these work independently with both arms, so it's a machine, but both arms have to pull their weight to get it up. So it's a little bit more like a free weight in that regard, like dumbbells. So got quite a few nice little extras that Planet Fitness did not have.
It's hot.
So it is 24/7. We like that. Our Planet Fitness in our city was not 24/7.
Besides that, how do you feel being week 3? Am I saying it right? Week 3, day 3?
Yeah, we're in week 3.
Right. How do you feel eating clean this far and not having any cheats or anything?
I feel really good. I feel like I've
had cheats.
She's had some cheats, but she's maintained her calorie count. So she's been more counting calories and trying to eat higher protein focused meals.
Yeah, because anyways, y'all know already that when I'm PMSing I eat sweets. But Casey's been really good and he hasn't been eating his drug of choice, which is M&M's.
I haven't had any sweets at all in
quote
during this whole
unquote
time.
Sweets means M&M's because he always buys the same thing. So
when I'm eating poorly, I'll make up a big bowl of cheese dip and plow through a bag of Tostitos or Dorito chips, and then have a big family-sized bag of M&Ms afterward. Warm them up in the microwave for 30 seconds in a coffee mug.
Enough.
Salt them a little bit.
That's enough. Talk about drugs.
But I digress.
Anyways.
Well, I felt good.
And I noticed a new definition on you today. And we still haven't taken update pictures.
I've dropped about 13 pounds since I started.
Are you kidding me?
No.
In 3 weeks, you've dropped 13 pounds?
Yeah. I splurge hard, babe.
I did not know that you had done that. I haven't even dropped, I don't even know, not even 4. Oh man, now I just hate you. I hate you so much right now. Are you kidding?
No.
Well, congratulations.
Congratulations, you idiot.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to really say.
I gained more than you, though.
Anyways, clearly,
I feel good.
Clearly, I'm not feeling that good because I have not lost 13
pounds. I feel highly motivated.
But I'm not PMSing anymore, which is what I said to Casey earlier. Oh my god.
They had a yield.
And when I'm PMSing, it's really hard to not have something.
But you've done good. When you did splurge with something, you adjusted your calories to where you still hit your calorie goal.
Yeah. But anyways, so I just wanted to, you know, check up with you guys and tell you guys that we're into week 3, and I also missed a workout day last week.
She likes to. It was chest and tricep day. It was our push day.
I fucking hate chest and tricep day. I hate it. I hate it. I hate tricep day. I do, because every time I turn around, it's tricep day. Just go like this and then about face and what is it? Tricep day. Back up. What is it? Tricep day.
It's every Tuesday.
Day.
I mean, it's every Tuesday. So you know, if Tuesday's
whatever,
here,
dude. I'm telling
like
you,
every time
Tuesday's like every day.
No, it comes at the same time every week.
Whatever. I don't believe that shit. Any hoozle. It's going okay, and I'm really glad that we started early. Last year I started on April 1st, and I'm really glad that I started March 1st this time, because apparently I've needed this time to like get my shit together, because it's not been together.
Well, you've been kind of getting back from your surgery where you couldn't even do heavy weights the first week or two. This is the first week that you've actually lifted a little bit heavier. So, you know, another week or two, you'll be into the full swing of your weight training. So
that, and I've been having a hard time kicking my sugar crack addict. My sugar crack addiction. I've had a hard time kicking my sugar crack addiction.
This is what's been weird. So we were doing really good last year.
But I've been clean for 4 days.
Yeah. Spoken like a true addict.
And I would love to have some today, just so you know.
Over the holidays, when we kind of got a little bit off track, you know, and we've been trying to get back on really solid since January, but it would be 2 or 3 days clean, splurge a day or two, it's been like, you know, 50-50. But during that time, before, I used to like sweets of all kinds. I mean, I would eat candy bars, I would eat ice cream, I would eat M&Ms, I would eat brownies, I would eat all kinds of stuff. I just like sweets. During that time, somehow I got laser focused into M&Ms, and I didn't even splurge unless I could have M&Ms. That's all I wanted, which was weird. And she pretty much just started eating, when she was eating sugar, she would eat ice cream. And she's always liked ice cream. I've always liked M&Ms, but we got into this weird pattern to where that's all we had. When we had sugar, it was either she's going to have a Sonic Blast or she's not going to bother. And I was either going to have M&Ms or I wasn't going to bother.
Just don't even say the words, man.
I know.
Like, I'm getting wore out from it.
But our splurge meals got so laser focused to like 2 different foods and 1 sweet.
Like, if we were going to cheat on, or have a cheat night,
maybe
like
3.
Nobody had to ask questions. Like, I already knew what he wanted, and he already knew what I wanted.
Yeah,
and
if we were going to go out and eat, we would eat Mexican food as a splurge, or Texas Roadhouse as a splurge. Or she would get sushi, and I would make up cheese dip.
Okay.
That was it. Those are the only foods that we wanted to splurge on. If we weren't eating that, we were eating clean.
So we've been eating clean. Well, I've been clean off the sugars for 4 days, but he's been eating clean for, you know, whatever. But anyways, it's going good, and I'm looking forward to having my new body that's all cut, and I don't, you know, and then I can have donuts in July. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, we got a vacation planned, going back to getting a cabin and having the whole extended family get together. So we're going to have 14 people under one roof in July. So that's our target date, to be in tip-top shape.
So also next video that I put out, my goal is to have some update pictures, at least for me. If I can't get Casey to do his, I don't know what to tell you. Like,
you'll probably be able to get me to do it.
He is a little bit all over the place. So hopefully I'll have some weigh-in pictures next video, and also measurements.
Less skin next time, please. Got all skimpy on that last video.
Hey, you gotta show the gains. I got glute development. Anyways.
Nobody needs to see your glutes.
Everybody needs to see them. Everybody needs to see them. And if I ever compete, everybody's gonna see them. So you better get used to it.
You're not competing, so you can't use that as an excuse.
You never know. The older I get and the finer I stay, the more the chances go up of me competing. So check.
More ice cream I feed you, the less chance of that will be. So.
Hey, I gotta talk about competing more often.
Maybe I'm part of the problem.
You think you might actually
Trying to keep
be
your butt off the
part of
internet.
problem.
So,
Oh man. So no update pictures this time, but I will have a weigh-in for you that I can show you from the completion of week 2. There wasn't a huge difference. I think I've been riding around my maintenance calories at 2,000 calories. Did you go too far?
yeah, I'm getting back on the interstate. I'm not paying attention to where I'm going.
Oh
so.
my goodness. Why?
I meant to go right over there, and I went over here. That's all right. We'll still get there.
Okay, well, we'll have a week 2 ending weigh-in update, and then I'll have another video out for the finishing of week 3, and hopefully I'll have some workout footage that I can throw in. I did take a little tiny snippet today of Casey's bicep vein while he was doing dips, but I'll throw that in right here, so you don't have to wait for that, because, you know, oh my God, you're going to kill us, aren't you?
She was the worst passenger of all time. You know how many times we've been in a wreck? 0. You know how
Don't
many,
say that!
you know
Oh
how
my
many-
God!
You know how many times she pretends like we're about to be in a wreck? Every time we go
I
somewhere.
might need a Starbucks.
Lord have mercy. If I
might
hit
need
the
a
brake
Starbucks.
for any reason, she's like, oh my gosh. That's what it's for, is to slow down.
And Casey's favorite genre of music is the little thingies on the side of the highway that make noise because he's not looking where he's fucking going, okay? So I don't even want to hear that shit.
That's not true.
All of my worries and fears are completely founded in reality, okay? Reality is where I live, boo-boo.
Let me hang on. Got a glare on my glasses. I want them to see my eye roll.
You better watch where you're going. Oh my God. Anyways.
See what I mean?
We love you guys. We'll see you later. Peace out. Later, taters. Bye.